Now that you've learned some of the basic tools, you're aware of the interface, and you can snap, I challenge you to create this stick man. And maybe give him a few accessories or details. Before we get started, it's really important that you already know how to use some of the basic tools. You understand how to work with the command line. And you know some of the basic UI elements. I'm also going to give you a few handy hints and tips so you can see where you can improve your workflow and maybe learn a new command or two. I encourage you to give this stickman a try before watching the solution. We're going to start with a rectangle. Then a line. Then a circle. And I'm going to move that circle into position. Notice that I typed the command this time, which is also optional in BricsCAD. We're going to use the line command again. And if I simply hit enter, it will repeat the last command. I'm going to copy that rectangle. And then I'm going to resize with the grip points. Now, every way that I'm showing you is just one way of doing something. If you did it a different way, it doesn't mean that you were wrong. It doesn't mean that I am right. I'm just demonstrating the many ways that you can use BricsCAD. Observe here, if I move up and down and I hold the Shift key, I can keep the lines at 90 degrees and you sort of get this snap tracking line, which is super handy. Pay attention to that. I'm going to just resize that foot with the scale command. And then I'm going to mirror the leg so I don't have to redraw it. Now it looks pretty good. I want to introduce you to a new command. It's called the stretch command. This allows you to stretch the geometry exactly as you would expect. So I can make the body a little bit longer. Maybe make the hips a little bit narrower. And notice it doesn't have to be straight along the axis. I can really freely move things, but I'm holding Shift to keep it level. And if you had fun doing that, why not make something a bit more complicated? I'd love to see what you come up with, so feel free to share. If you like what I do, please like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications, it really helps me out. It also lets you know when the next lessons are becoming available. Additional resources are available, including PDFs, DWG files, reference documentation, and exclusive videos. Please see the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.